Hi everyone, Graceful Skinny Vlogs here. Today we're going to do our continuation of the Timberdoodle Custom Pre-K Kit End of Year Review Series. Today's subject we will be focusing on what we did with our math. The Timberdoodle specific things from our math kit were the mathematical reasoning book, which is a great spiral method, very colorful pages. We loved it. It really gave her she now has a firm foundation of all of numbers 1 through 15, with even really growing into numbers 1 through 20 even. It pushed her just enough, and just when she would start to have an issue, it would spiral back around and she would have something easy to do. And so it just kept up a very nice pace. However, one thing we didn't like about it is the lack of teacher guide. With a lack of teacher guide, there were times when we were going through pages where my husband and I just couldn't find the right coaching or wording to give my daughter to explain what she needed to be doing, and there wasn't enough on the page to explain it either, and it just left her confused and us frustrated. And so for that reason, we're going to be trying out a different curriculum for next year, and I will explain that. Talk more about that when we get to our kindergarten picks for the upcoming school year. Farmland Math was great. We found it to be great supplement for what was going on in the mathematical reasoning book. We also found it to be very good practice of listening skills and reinforcement and teaching that sitting, listening, following direction skill, which even in the homeschool environment is a good skill that needs to be developed. What comes in the kit are the Timberdoodle's book that has all these different little stories that your child follows along with. Like they put 2 sheep in the field, 2 sheep and 2 horses in the pasture. How many animals are there, kind of stuff. It really is great for practice. It also encourages them to kind of start to come up with their own stories and thinking of outside the box. What you get with your counters are these jumbo animal counters. You get one of each color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, of 5 different animals. You get a horse, sheep, cow, pig, rooster, and this just shows you the color purple that they've got. So 6 of each, so 1 of each color, 5 animals. And then the mat itself came with this little dog and this tractor that she also likes to have. The mat is a nice, sturdy, kind of reminds me of infant play mats that you would just like, activity mats that you would lay them on. Easy to wipe down, easy to clean. Still in very good condition. The manipulatives that I just grabbed and made for myself this year were these foam shapes from Michael's. It was a big giant bag of them for like $4 or $5, and they made for great help counting, and they make for great addition work, and they also were great for pattern work. You could lay them on the page on top of the pattern that was there, and she could have a 3-dimensional object to see and kind of feel and pick up and move so that she could actually get the pattern work done. We use these a lot, and because they're nice and small, we could keep them at the ready, and they were always there. We also used bottle caps that we just collected and put into an old baby wipes container. They're 2-sided. They had kind of a texture to them, and so they make for really great math counters. And we've started using these more towards the end of the year. The only other piece left in the curriculum to talk about would be this Math Number Games book. I can only show you the back because her name is written in the front page on her completed pages. It's a color by number and a connected dot. And there was just something about it that my daughter just truly didn't like. And this was not a recommended piece of the kit. I put this in myself, and we regretted it, and we didn't use it very long at all. So that's what we used for our math this year. Next time, we'll probably be doing the language arts or the social studies. It'll depend on what my daughter is begging me most to get into the playroom next. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.